For over 50 years, CPC has been the trusted leader in low-pressure fluid connectors, serving industries ranging from medical and biopharma to electronics, cooling, and beyond. Explore our extensive catalog, now featuring free 3D CAD model downloads. From the homepage, go to Products, View by Product Lines, and choose your preferred product line and series. Scroll down the page and browse by picture or component specs. On the product page, click Download CAD Details. In the window on the right, click the 3D tab. Here you see an interactive 3D preview of the product, which you can rotate and zoom within the 3D viewer. This window offers a wide range of views, so you can see unique and up-close details of the product. When you're happy with the product, first make sure to log in or sign up. It's free and easy to do through the website. This just takes a quick minute. Next, click Download CAD, and then click Add Formats. Here you can browse from over 100 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works in your CAD software. Next, click Start Generation, and your CAD model will be ready to download within seconds. Once prompted, click the Download button. Another way to quickly find 3D CAD model downloads is through the Knowledge Center. Under Support, click CAD Model Downloads and simply enter the product number. You can also generate a 3D PDF datasheet. These files include an interactive 3D viewer, product specs, technical drawings, and more. This is great for those who need to access the product information but don't need a large CAD file. For more great products, go to cpcworldwide.com and visit 3dfindit.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.